government may, on the recommendation of the central board, direct the non-issue or the discontinuance of issue of bank notes of such denominational value as it may specify in this behalf. Either say we will not issue it, or say we will no longer issue it. Discontinuance is no longer issue. Non-issue is we will not issue it. But both decisions have to be taken by the central government on the recommendation of the central board. Whereas, see the language of 26(2? It does not say central government may, on the recommendation of the central board, by notification. On the contrary, it says on the recommendation of the central board, the central government. The same act, 24(2) uses the word central government may, on the recommendation of the central board. 26(2) says on the recommendation of the central board, the central government may by notification. Well, it may be a distinction without a difference. I leave it there. But all I'm pointing out is, given the fact that the exclusive power to issue currency notes is only with the Reserve Bank of India, my submission on the third proposition was, it is only if the central board recommends the central government can act in the matter. The process cannot be reversed for the central government advising the RBI, and the RBI, and I submit this without any disrespect, meekly submitted to the advice and submitted its recommendation after a 1 hour deliberation on one day. Now, the affidavits are very clear. The affidavit of the RBI and affidavit of the affidavit of the central government filed. Where is the page? The affidavit of the central government filed on what day? October 18 at page 39. Well, it's not, these words have been loosely used. These words have been used apparently on competent legal advice. These words are important. First volume, October 2018, counter affidavit on behalf of the Union of India, at page in 906. Volume 1. I have numbered it as volume 1.
Para 29.
Para 31 and 32. 32 actually. At running page 39, which is stamped on the top. Right? What Justice Nazir's copy is missing.
Yes, yes.
All right, please proceed. I'll read only para 32. The government of India, therefore, on, or just read the first paragraph, earlier paragraph. The government of India and the Reserve Bank.
Paragraph 29 onwards, that has been all been read to us. We are marking as para 29, 30, 31, and 32.
I'm not reading all of it again. I'm just emphasizing the word. The government of India, therefore, on 7/11/2016, advised the Reserve Bank that to mitigate the triple problems of so-and-so, Central Board of the Reserve Bank may consider withdrawal of the legal tender status of the notes in high denomination. It was advised in that letter that cash has been a facilitator of black money, elimination of black money. They also observed that in the last 5 years, there has been an increase in the circulation. There have been widespread report, etc., etc. Therefore, Miller, it emanated from the government is beyond doubt.
I think returning as a friend is fine, it's returning this way.
Now, RBI,
Your main emphasis is that the procedure could have emanated from the RBI.
Yes.
And merely because they advised the RBI, the procedure has not been in accordance with section 22.
that's my submission. I'm saying both affidavits affirm
Yes, yes.
the position that I.
There is no dispute on that.
Both
According to their stand is that
Now an attempt is being made. We were in discussion for 6 months. We exchanged, all that.
that is what this affidavit also says from para 29 onwards.
Yes. RBI's affidavit.
No, this affidavit of the central
This
government,
affidavit says.
It is very affidavit.
Yes,
para 29 onwards.
yes. Para 29 is about introduction of new series of banknotes.
No, what they are emphasizing is that there has been a continuous discussion between the Union of India and the RBI.
I'm sorry,
on
madam.
this issue.
That's not what they say. In the last few years, RBI and the government of
The
India.
argument of the
have been
learned
working-
attorney appears to be that the demonetization cannot be taken into consideration in isolation. It's a part of the general economic policy, which
I'll come to the economic policy and monetary policy. All I'm saying is paragraph 29 to paragraph 31 is only about introduction of new series of notes. Introduction of new series, as the learned AG said, new security features, new design, new color, new photograph, etc. Then 29 to 31, 29 to 31, please read it carefully. It's only about introduction of new series of notes. And then in paragraph 30, it says, the Reserve Bank also embarked since January 2014 on a program to withdraw all the notes issued before 2005. Withdrawal of old series notes periodically is a standard international practice followed by the note issuing authorities. Therefore, there are two separate things. Let's withdraw the old series and let's issue new series. We have no quarrel with that. As far as demonetization is concerned, with the note will be no longer legal tender. The first paragraph is paragraph 32, and it makes it abundantly clear. Government of India advised the Reserve Bank, government advised in that letter, etc., etc. Now, what does the RBI say? You're very sure. RBI's affidavit, first affidavit, paragraph 4, which I read below at page 42.
two affidavits.
I'm only talking the first affidavit.
It is 15th of November 2022.
Yes. The second affidavit is,
No, that is 22.
There is a compilation of affidavits too.
yes,
They have given compilation of all the affidavits.
this is Mr. Honourable.
That is second affidavit. Honourable.
This is second affidavit. Very well, now, your lordship may have this affidavit. Paragraph 4. It starts with the Deputy Governor's memorandum recommending withdrawal of legal tender, along with a copy of the letter dated 7th November, received from Ministry of Finance, and draft scheme for implementing the withdrawal of legal tender was considered the board on 8/11/2016 at 5:30 p.m. So the recommendation, which was received on 7/11, along with the Deputy Governor's internal note, was considered on 8/11. And then the next two paragraphs are important. The board discussed various relevant aspects. So the board was assured that the matter has been discussed between the central government and the Reserve Bank of India and had been under discussions over the last 6 months. The proposed steps presents a big opportunity to take the process, etc. 3. So the board was assured that government will take mitigating measure to contain the use of cash. So the board considered the memorandum and after detailed deliberations concluded that in larger public interest, the balance of advantage would lie in withdrawal of legal tender status, etc. Now, here I pause and say, that these are the two documents which they rely upon, namely a letter of the Reserve Bank of India